Take that, throw that in the back. This is, I'm trying to make this look pretty.
May look pretty. Now we're back on TV.
Oh, we are.
So, got the, right. Didn't mean to throw those on the ground. Take two.
Oh, they're not chrome. Oh, they are chrome.
These are the windshield arms here. Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. I got Jack here again. It's late at night. We're going to put the windshield in the Model A pickup here. So let me go over there and grab that and we'll see what happens. This is a big step. Don't drop it. This is expensive. It's got good glass and it's been freshly chrome plated.
Let's do this. Let's go through this last one first. All right. Oh,
Yeah,
you're gonna get. You want to get in there, and I'll hold it.
I think we just
Bring it up.
dongled up into here. Screw like this.
Hey, let me hold that because you're not gonna be able to do one thing at once. I got it. Come around to the other side.
Come around to that side.
Okay, do one in there. Once you get one in there, we're good.
Hold on, still don't move. Don't move!
I'm in the movie theater. I'm in a movie and I can't move.
I gotta make a long distance out of state phone call. I'll be back in half an hour.
I hate to say this to you now, but you think there should be a piece of rubber, 1/16 rubber in between that? Keep water from coming in?
I thought about that, but I don't know.
You could caulk it when you're done too.
I don't think it's gonna get driven in the rain that much, so I don't think it's gonna be an issue.
Okay. So where that went. That's over there. This one was on this side of the tire.
This is unhandy at best. The little screwdriver's too little. I got this wide one. Maybe this will work.
You don't have one that's one that holds the screw, do you?
No.
Expandable thing.
Here we go. Aha. They didn't make these screws all that long.
Yeah, that way, at the end of the roll, they could get about 20 extra screws by making them just long enough.
Don't move. Gonna cut to the forward sequence here. Hold on. Jack, how's it look?
I think we're done. I got one bolt down here I'm trying to pick up with my fingers. And you got a magnet of any sort? I just can't get at it.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Aha, I got it.
Good boy.
Well, I got tired of fighting with machine screws, so I put some stainless steel 1/4-20 bolts in the corners here, but here's the windshield. It closes nice, and then it opens up. We gotta put the arms on it here, but this is a nice chrome plated, this is the original windshield frame for the truck. My dad spent a lot of time getting this straightened out and filled in and chrome plated. It looks real nice on here. I just gotta trim the gasket material for the glass. We threw it in a couple years ago and just put it together, never did anything with the gasket material, so I gotta trim that up. But the truck's registered now. I'm waiting for the plates in the mail. We'll throw the plates on it, and then we'll be able to go take a spin. So it's got the sleeve here, fits flush. Let's see how this side is. Yeah, there's just chrome in the hole. I had to open it up with a round file. So that happens when they chrome things. Sometimes the holes get smaller.
Okay.
So I just happen to have.
Now I'm going to take off now.
You take off?
Yeah. Well, the hard work's done.
The hard work is done. Thanks, Jack, for helping. I told him I'd give him this truck when we're done. I mean, what?
Yeah, I heard it.
Did you hear that part? Alright. Thanks for helping, Jack.
All right, see ya.
We'll see you.
Don't forget to mention that part.
I will.
See See you later.
I'm gonna need a more aggressive file than this. Thanks for coming over. Another package of, aha! Thought I was missing the package of screws, or washers for the hinges here, but I just found them. Fortunately, the Model A book doesn't tell me the order they go in, so just gonna have to guesstimate here. I'm gonna have to play around with it, but you get the idea. This is how the arm goes, and you loosen this up when you want to pivot out. When I pivot out here, you can run your glass out like this and cinch it down. This, I think this gets a little. This needs a little nylon or something washer on here, but here you go. You can run your windshield, get your fresh air in here with your flip out. Where'd my face go? So this is how you run your windshield flipped out to get your fresh air in down here. I'll have to play around with these and get it going, but you get the idea. And there's a little notch on this. There's a little notch on these here. There's a little notch in here. You can see that. That corresponds to sitting on the stud. I usually run my windshields like this because here, with these flat windshields, you don't realize if you haven't driven a car with a straight up and down windshield, the light from the back windows when there's cars coming reflects off the windshield and it bounces all around and you think somebody's like coming to T-bone you. So I always run my windshields tilted out about this far on the latch. In my Model A Coupe, I run it that way because then it deflects the glass enough where the light doesn't reflect into your, and it doesn't bounce around, so you don't get freaked out that somebody's going to run into you all the time. It's a lot easier to see. So I like to run my windshield cracked all the time. Unless it's raining, I'll pull it closed, but I rarely drive in the rain, and this truck probably won't get driven in the rain. But I like to leave them open about this far. And you don't really get a lot of air through it, so it's not really cold weather's not an issue with that much. But there we go. I'll go put the other side on. We'll go from there. There we go, I got both installed. So the windshield's mounted in here. I just got to do a little bit of tweaking. I realized the little washer doesn't go up here on the post, it goes down here on this, which line these better. I got to do just a little bit of tweaking and fitting and get it to work all right. But this is a big step here. It's kind of a bittersweet moment because this windshield frame's the last thing my dad and I worked on in this truck together. We put the glass in around Christmas time of probably, well, it would have been 2015. We put the glass in the frame, and then it was in his bedroom after that, and I brought it up here with the truck. So kind of a bittersweet moment for that, putting the windshield in. But at least it's in now, so I can clean the glass up, trim the rubber out, get the registration sticker in here, and we can just take this truck for some more blast down the road legally and start breaking it in and getting it dialed in here. I've still got to do a couple of things on the interior. I'm going to move the gas pedal, bend the arm just a little bit because it's kind of close to the brake pedal, and once in a while you hit the gas when you're stepping on the brake real hard. I don't like that, so I'm going to work on that. And got to program the electric speedometer, get that dialed in. But overall, we're making some progress now, and I'm excited to drive this with plates and with the glass in it so I can see how it's going to work. That's just a quick update here on the Model A truck. Thanks to Jack for helping. Thanks everybody else for watching. Please subscribe, hit the button over here. Bink. We'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.